Hi, I'm Rob from the White House and join me on this journey showing you how we transform the living room and the hallway into a statement piece like this. Enjoy. First of all, let me show you the space upstairs on the hallway. As you can see, highly patterned wallpaper all over the walls. And boy, this is one big whole stairs landing. It goes on and on and on. Still not there yet. Strip the wallpaper, obviously it leaves a ridiculous amount of mess to the walls. So after many washes of the wall with sugar soap, good old fashioned stuff, filler, wash again, sand, wash, sand, fill, repeat the process multiple times to get the nice clean finish, and then seal the whole surface with the product from Zinter Guards. Ready to cut the boards down, ready to install the shaker style paneling to the hall stairs and landing. So here we go, it's installed now with a nice little dado trim on the top. You can see I've actually made a little slight adjustment with the banister on the staircase. So as you can see, it's nice and dark grey, as you'll explain more with the colour schemes at the end. Show with you this little downstairs bathroom. Let me give this a little glow up. Here we go, all matching. So as the client walks around the space, again this all feels part of the same area, already finished up. So now we're in the lounge. So wallpaper again stripped off, same process as the hall stairs landing, with many rounds of washing, sanding, filling, sanding, filling, bit more sanding, bit more filling. You get it. Go with the full square pattern design on this one, and now I'm going to let you enjoy this because this is the full tour of the downstairs of this property with the paneling and the redecoration of upstairs. So the colour scheme for the whole stairs and landing is all from Farrow Ball. So the ceilings and upper walls are in a colour called Blackened, with the panelling detail in Pavilion grey. The staircase and the spindles is in a colour called Railings to give you a real nice dark rich tone. The colour scheme is matching in the small downstairs WC. Scheme in here is on the back wall is Hague blue, again from Farrow Ball, with the rest of the walls and ceiling in that Blackened, again from Farrow Ball. for watching this video. I'm now on to my next project. Yeah, that is my van. I'm just going to show you now again a couple of clips of before and after. Thank you very much once again, and I'll see you on the